Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to present to you guys on EBME2103 on mechanical and electrical engineering system in buildings. I am Muhammad Nizam bin Muasni. My metric number is 780531080863690001, and I'm a semester May 2020 student. My program is BPFM. Okay, next. Okay, today I'm gonna give some briefing on green buildings. Okay, what is green building? Green building refers to a structure and process that is environmentally responsible and resource efficient throughout the building in a life cycle, which is from sitting to design, construction, operation, maintenance, renovation, and lastly demolition. Green building, also known as a sustainable or high performance building, increase the efficiency which building and their sites use and harvest energy, water, and materials. Okay, next. Okay. The green building concept is gaining importance in various countries. They are buildings that ensure waste is minimized at every stage during the construction and operation of the building, resulting in low costs and according to experts in technology. A green building is a structure that is environmentally responsible and resource efficient throughout its life cycle. Okay, next. Green buildings are designed to reduce the overall impact of the built environment on human health and the natural environment throughout the efficiency using of energy, water, and other resources, protecting occupants' health and improving employee productivity, reducing waste, pollution, and environment degradation. Goals of green building. Green buildings brings together a vast array of practices and techniques to reduce and ultimately eliminate the impact of buildings on the environment and human health. It often emphasizes taking advantage of renewable resources, for example, using sunlight through passive solar, active solar, or photovoltaic technique, and using plant and tree through green roof, rain gardens, or reduction of rainwater runoff. Many other techniques, such as using packed gravel or permeable concrete instead of conventional concrete or asphalt, to enhance replenish of groundwater. Herewith is some example of the passive solar system, active solar system, photovoltaic panel, and permeable concrete. Next. Okay, the goals of green building are based on a few fundamental and principle, which is structure design efficiency, energy efficiency, water efficiency, material efficiency, indoor environmental quality enhancement, operation and maintenance optimization, waste and toxic reduction. Structure design efficiency. The foundation of any construction project is rooted in the concept and design stage. The step in the project life cycle, as it has been mentioned before, has a large impact on cost and performance. In designing environmentally optimal buildings, the objective is to minimize the total environmental impact associated with all life cycle stages of the building project. Okay, next. However, the building as a process is not as streamlined as industrial process and varies from one building to another, never repeating itself identically. In addition, buildings are much more complex product composed of a multitude of materials and components, each constituting various design variables to be decided at the design stage. A variation of every design variable may affect the environment during all the building relevant life cycle stage. Okay, energy efficiency. For energy efficiency usage, normally the building will use high efficiency windows and insulation in the walls, ceilings, floors to increase the efficiency of the building envelope, which is the barrier between the conditioned and unconditioned space. Another strategy that is always used is by using the passive solar building design, which often implemented in the low energy homes. Other methodology that being used is by designer by orient windows and walls and place awning, porch and trees to shade windows and roof during summer while maximizing solar gain in the winter. In addition, effective window placement, which is in daylight light, can provide more natural light and lessen the needs for electrical lighting during the day. Okay, next. Okay. The use of solar water heating further reduce energy costs and still maintain the needs of the building. On-site generation of renewable energy through solar power, wind power, hydropower or biomass can significantly reduce the environmental impact of the building. Power generation is generally the most expensive feature to add to the building. Okay, next. Okay, here is the example of a building that were equipped with the green building system, which is if you can see through the picture, this house contain the louvers on the top of the roof system, so that the wind can blow inside the house and through the bedroom, living room and study room. Other passive system that being used inside the house is the window panels. The window panels, and then on top of the roof there's a solar power panels. Okay, for water efficiency, reducing water consumption and protecting water quality are key objectives in sustainable building. One critical issue of water consumption is that many areas that demands of the supplying an aquifer exceed ability to replenish itself. To maximum extent feasibility, facilities should increase their dependency on water that is collected, used, purified, reused on site. The protection and conservation of water throughout the life of the building may be accomplished by designing a dual plumbing that recycle water in the toilet flushing. Okay, next. Okay, wastewater may be maximized by utilizing water conserving fixtures such as ultra low flush toilet and low flow shower heads. Bidets help eliminate the use of toilet paper, reducing sewer traffic and increasing possibility of reusing water on site. Point of the water treatment and heating improve both water quality and energy efficiency while reducing the amount of the water in circulation. The use of non-sewage and grey water for on-site, such as site irrigation, will minimize the demand on the local aquifer. Okay, material efficiency. Green building materials are composed of renewable rather than renewable resources, non-renewable resources. Green materials are environmentally responsible because impact are considered over the life of the products. Depending upon project-specific goals, and assessment of green material may involve in evaluation of one or more of the criteria listed below. Next, which is green building material product selection criteria, resource efficiency, indoor air quality, energy efficiency, water conservation, and affordability. Resource efficiency. Recycle content product with identification recycle content including post-industrial content with preference for consumer content. Resource efficiency manufacturing process, product manufacture with resource efficient process including reducing energy consumption, minimizing waste, which is such as recycle, renewable and sources, reduce product packaging and reducing greenhouse gases. Resources efficiency also take care of the local factor that whereby the resources is available, such as locally available. So the building material, components and system found locally on regionally will save energy and resources in transportation to the project site. The other thing is the durability of the resources. Material that are longer lasting or are comparable to conventional product with long life expectancy. Indoor environmental quality enhancement. Indoor air quality seeks to reduce volatile organic compound or VOC and other air impurities such as microbial contaminants. Buildings rely on properly designed ventilation system, passive or naturally or mechanically powered, to provide adequate ventilation of cleaner air from outdoor or recirculated cleaner air from outdoors or recirculated filtered air, as well as isolated operation such as kitchen, dry cleaners from other occupancy. Okay, next. Indoor environmental quality enhancement. Low or non-toxic material that emit few or no carcinogens, reproductive toxicant or irritation, or demonstrated by the manufacturer through appropriate testing. Moisture resistant product and system that is resist moisture or inhabitants the growth of biological contaminated buildings. System or equipment, product that promotes healthy by identifying indoor air pollutant or enhancing the air quality. Operation and maintenance optimization. No matter how sustainable a building may have been in its design and construction, it can only be remained so far if it is operated responsibly and maintained properly. Every aspect of green building is integrated into the OEM phase. This will ensuring the operation and maintenance personnel are part of the project planning and the development as well as process to help retain the green criteria design at the onset the project building life. Okay, next. In addition, the new green technology also falls on the OEM staff, although the goal of waste reduction may be applied during design, construction and demolition phases of a building's life cycle. It is the OEM phase that green practices such as recycling and air quality enhancement take place. Waste reduction. Green architecture also seeks to reduce waste of energy, water and material used during construction. For example, in California itself, nearly 60% of the state waste comes from commercial buildings. During the construction phase, one goal should be reduced to the amount of material going to landfills. Well-designed buildings also help reduce the amount of waste generated by the occupants as well, by providing on-site solutions such as compost bin to reduce matter going to the landfill. To reduce the impact on wells or water treatment plants, several options exist. Grey waters, wastewater from sources such as dishwashing or washing machine can be used for subsurface irrigation, or if it's treated for non-potable purpose, for example to flush toilets, wash car, or etc. Rainwater collectors are used for the similar purpose. Centralized wastewater treatment system can be costly and use a lot of energy. An alternative to this process is by converting wastewater into fertilizer, which can avoid these costs and show other benefit. From here, we can see how to make a green building, green homes to be a green building. So these are the steps that we can adapt to our home so that our home can be a green building. Okay, next. So this one also is a green building, and a way how can we emphasize the green elements into our building. Okay, I think that's all for now. Okay, and then I think that's all for now, and thank you for everybody.